How to build your confidence. We explore what confidence means, why it's important, advantage, disadvantage, and how you can build confidence in your daily life. Confidence is a trait that can help us face life's experiences head-on. Many of us know what it feels like to carry out a task with assurance. Well, equally, it's a common experience to feel a lack of confidence. Self-confidence is easy to spot but hard to develop. Everyone wants to be self-confident, but many don't know how to start building it. It takes effort and a willingness to move outside your comfort zone to gain confidence. You build it piece by piece, starting with noticing what you already have and appreciating your wins. No matter how small, it doesn't happen overnight. You may not realize it, but people want to see you succeed. And more than ever, there are resources to help you become the most authentically confident version of yourself. We'll discuss what self-confidence is, how to build confidence, and tips for improving your self-improvement journey. What is self-confidence? Self-confidence generally refers to a sense of comfort with yourself and your instincts, and a belief that you can trust your own abilities, knowledge, and judgment. Confident people welcome new challenges because they know that they are reasonably up to the challenge, and their self-worth doesn't hinge on the outcome. They'll try their best and are motivated to pursue their goals without overthinking or internalizing too much. They approach things in life without uncertainty and nerves. What are the benefits of developing self-confidence? Build a self-confidence promotes a personal growth that positively influences both of your professional and personal life. Here are 4 benefits that self-confidence can bring. Healthy relationship. Your confidence could encourage you to leave a toxic relationship that hurts your well-being or to take up a new hobby that's just for you. In the end, you're improving your wellness and practicing self-care. More professional success. Self-efficacy impacts your choices, perseverance during unexpected challenges, and trust in your knowledge and intuition. Your self-confidence will project strength to those around you, who may perceive these with which you perform. 3 downsides of excessive self-confidence. Missed opportunities. You might miss out on skill-enhancing opportunities because you don't want to admit you also have room to grow. Relationship issues. You may lack self-awareness and the emotional intelligence to read cues from those around you, like body language or verbal cues, making you appear arrogant or conceited. The feeling of self-confidence can be immensely rewarding. What's more, studies have shown a variety of benefits associated with confidence. Below, we've highlighted some of the reasons why confidence is important. Confident people are happier. Confidence impacts physical and mental health. Confidence people is linked to success. What does a lack of confidence look like? You may be surprised to some people. Learn and you find to be self-assured are actually just good at pretending. And here are sometimes more obvious signs that someone is unconfident. Below, we've picked out some of the classic signs of a lack of confidence. First is anxiety. Anxiety can make us doubt our faith in our abilities. And we know that confidence is often a matter of belief. Avoiding challenges. To those people without confidence are often unwilling to try new things as they don't trust in their abilities to succeed at them. Lacking self-care. If someone is feeling negative about themselves and their abilities, they may also neglect to take care of themselves, worrying about what others think. Those who have low self-esteem will often worry about how others judge them. How to build your confidence. Be proud of yourself. Hard work deserves to be recognized. And think about how that version of you would be proud of where you are today. Don't be afraid to open up. It can be scary to be vulnerable with new people and within your surroundings. But as you're learning new things and stepping outside of your comfort zone, don't be afraid to let yourself open up. Be specific. You have to hone in on yourself to figure out what aspects you want to be more confident in. Go forth with confidence, even though self-confidence comes from within. Your community can help you build it. Reach out to friends and family for words of affirmation and encouragement to boost your self-esteem. Practicing self-care, taking time to assess your needs, can help you to identify what makes you feel good about yourself. Practices such as mindfulness and gratitude can also help to reduce stress, improve emotion regulation, and improve sleep. Confidence is an important and valued trait. A lack of confidence can be difficult, but there are ways to improve it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more at Softcore.